Presenting the 2008 Nissan Maxima. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. A low odometer reading makes this vehicle a great value at this price. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, you will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: passenger airbag, curtain head airbags. Call today to schedule a test drive.